Hi, my name is Beth Ritter Perry, and I'm an artist. I'm also a proud member of Concord Church. My husband and my son and I are all members. My husband and I met Keisha and Phil at a couples grow group a couple of years back, and I happened to mention to them, "Oh, I'm an artist," and they were like, "Well, if we should ever do a paint party, would you be interested in teaching?" And I said, "Yeah, that sounds pretty cool. Sounds like a lot of fun." So here I am. Here we are. Let me tell you a little bit about myself. I love the Lord, and I love art. I love marriage, and I think this is just a really fantastic and fun idea. And when I was coming up with an idea for some type of imagery for us to do, I wanted something that would really capture the feeling of Christ's love for us and the church, and his love for us through the marriage covenant. So basically, it's about unity above all. I'm a practicing artist. I'm a veteran art educator. I've been always blessed to have gigs in the visual arts. Always, always, always. I've worked in museums. I've had my own art business since 1994, Capriccio Studio. I started that when I was living out in Los Angeles a while back. Let's see, I cut my teeth, I guess, in education as a college professor in Maryland. I've been teaching K through 12 for the last 20 plus years, mostly in public school and private school. So basically, this is what the image that we're going to be doing is going to look like. Okay, so here is an example of what the piece is going to look like. First things first, make a copy of the image in Google Classroom. You'll need it to do the tracing. As for supplies, you'll need a number 2 pencil with an eraser, a ballpoint pen, color doesn't matter, it's perfectly all right if it doesn't work, and a piece or two of tape. Okay guys, let's rock and roll with this. You're gonna have such a good time with it. So basically what we have going on here is the printout from Google Classroom, and basically all it is, it's like a coloring page. So we're gonna flip that over, and here's my handy number 2 pencil, and basically what you're gonna do is to color over all of your areas that you can see through of the design in graphite. All graphite is a fancy name for pencil lead. So it's done. I amaze myself at how quick that goes sometimes. You want to make sure that you filled in all of your areas. Nothing's more frustrating than working on the transfer tracing and discovering that you missed an area. I'm not going to use and there's the tape. You can tape it down if you want. I'm not going to for our purposes here. I'm just going to do this in my son's sketch pad. Y'all don't tell him that I borrowed it. So in any event, I'm just going to go over the design. Everything is going to transfer onto the paper underneath. Generally when I do this, unless I'm working really, really large, I don't usually tape it down, but taping it down makes it nice. There we go. Nice and quick. How about that? There you go. Now you can see where the design has transferred over. You can go over everything either in pen or pencil for our purposes here, since this is paper. I'm just going to use a pen to kind of start off and kind of get a feel for the design. I like Sharpies. Sometimes I'll use a great big fat one or a thinner one, and just totally go over the design like you see in the demonstration here. Now, when you get started painting, if you don't like the Sharpies, the Sharpie on the canvas, just paint over it with acrylic paint. It'll work just fine. Okay, guys, that's basically it. See you later.